How to get a legal separation in California. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're not ready for divorce but still want to live separately and protect your legal and financial rights, legal separation might be the right option. Let's talk about how it works in California. A legal separation is almost identical to divorce in terms of process. You'll still file with the court, serve your spouse, and work through issues like property division, custody, and support. The main difference is that you're still legally married at the end. You just live separate lives under a court-approved agreement. We recently worked with a couple who wanted to stay married for religious reasons but needed to divide assets and set up support. We helped them complete a full legal separation, giving them the structure they needed without finalizing a divorce. At Divorce 661, we handle the entire legal separation process from start to finish, just like we do with divorce. Whether you're doing this for financial, medical, or personal reasons, we'll make sure everything is handled correctly. If you're considering legal separation in California, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll explain your options and help you move forward with clarity and peace of mind.